Hello everyone, Chris with Cloud Computing for Kids here, and today we're going to be taking a look at what is autoscaling group. So an autoscaling group contains a collection of Amazon EC2 instances that are treated as a logical grouping for the purpose of automatic scaling and management. So there's a couple different dynamic scaling options. We have simple scaling, target tracking scaling, and scheduled scaling. So with simple scaling, it's let's say for example there is excessive memory usage, and CloudWatch picks this up. Again, CloudWatch is another AWS service. So CloudWatch has an event and it's triggered, so it scales out. Or for example, let's say that there is capacity that's removed, such as when there's lower trending CPU usage, then it could scale in, and that's how simplest scaling works. Target tracking scaling tracks the capacity to certain threshold, such as CPU usage, and scheduled scaling will scale at like a certain time when you input it. So let's say that you have a website or something, and you know that there's going to be more traffic during noon. You could have scheduled scaling to scale out during noon and scale in during other times because you know that there's going to be peak usage at that moment. Application load balancing operates at the seventh layer of the OSI model, routing traffics to the EC2 resource. Setting up elastic load balancers is a great way to improve the availability of the resources of the overall application. Some of the features include 7-layer load balancing, balancing over HTTP and HTTPS to target EC2 instances, secure setting, integrated with security groups associating with the balancer, TLS offloading, HTTPS listener using encryption to terminate with the external clients while also preserving the source IP and protecting the backend resources. And it's a predefined security policy that can also be applied to the load balancer endpoint.